Hey, it's Beater Box Monday, but we're gonna try something a little bit different today. We're gonna do a comparison of two boxes of the same base value. One box is from Supremacy, one box is from Direct Kicks. So if you like math, you might want to stick around because we're gonna dive into the numbers and compare each box based on profit. Zerp! Happy Cyber Monday! I'm not doing anything for Cyber Monday, but you can use my code SBMitch50 at Resjuvenator.com to save 50% on anything on the Resjuvenator website. Apparently they want to get rid of everything they have there, so Resjuvenator.com, and then when you go to checkout, use my code SBMitch50 to save 50% off your entire order. And that ends tonight at midnight Mountain Standard Time. Hello, pals! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, sucks for you. This is 11 or so minutes that you're not gonna be able to get back, and I am so sorry. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. Below that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. You can find all the shoes that I open up in beater boxes for sale, as well as some other like retail hits and whatever. So yeah. So what we're doing today, even though it is Beater Box Monday, we're not opening a box, but rather we're gonna be comparing a $1,250 Direct Kicks beater box versus a $1,250 Supremacy beater box. Now I got both of these within the last month, so they're still pretty fresh, so it's actually a pretty good opportunity to compare the two to show you the benefits and negatives of each box. What should we call this? Let's call this segment like hindsight or something stupid. So we're gonna start with the Direct Kicks box. Now, Direct Kicks, it's a store. It's a store based out in New York. They're very reputable, so you know that you're gonna get legit stuff from them. It's really easy to order and they ship really quick. So I ordered, probably about 5 weeks ago, I ordered a $1,250 box. And here's a tiny little recap of that one. LeBron 10s in worn condition from All-Star Weekend. This is like this purple and kind of weird salmon looking colorway. 2006 Air More Up Tempo. It's just a white colorway with 3M piping around the Air. 9.5. This is the 2010 release of the Air Foamposite Pearl. Of exactly what the box says. A Stan Smith Zip Y3 shoe. Nike Air Max 95 OG in a size 10.5. This is like an olive with some bright orange colorway type thing. Jordan Jumpman Pro Quick. I mean, that's what it is. The Pro Quicks, these are like the Game Royal colorway. This is the collaboration with artist Thomas Campbell on a Dunk High Premium. So this is a LeBron 16. This is the What The colorway, or they call it like the LeBron 1 through 5. So these are the blue colorway of the Air Jordan 2 Don C. These are worn. Now you see all the shoes there. What I did after the video was I sat down with my little stupid visor thing. I don't have that, I'm joking. And I placed value on all the shoes that are in the boxes. Now you gotta keep in mind too, that the value that I place on a certain shoe, I mean, it's gonna be a ballpark around what the actual market value is, but I price them based on what I think are attributes of how to price a shoe. So the box itself cost $1,250, and then it cost $20 to ship. So the entire cost of the box was $1,270. When I did my evaluations of the entire box, the value came to, hold on, I have my piece of paper. The value was an estimated $1,560. That means the value versus cost was $290. Say all those shoes sold on GOAT, minus all the fees and all that stuff, we'd make $211.14 off of that box, which equals out to a 16.6 return on investment. Now, what I'm gonna do is pull up my little spreadsheet thing. This is gonna be really bored, but I use Google Sheets to keep track of this stuff. So if you look at the Direct Kicks box right here, you can see that 5 of 9 of the total shoes have sold. It was actually 4 until about 2 hours ago, and then the Stan Smith Zips actually sold. So 5 of the 9 shoes have sold. I've had this box for roughly about 5 weeks. Now the remaining pairs that are left are the 2006 Up-Tempos, the Olive Air Max 95s, the LeBron 16 What Does, and the Blue Don C's. Now, for convenience sake, we're just gonna suppose that these pairs that actually haven't sold yet are gonna sell on my website. minus the fee, which is 3%, and then minus shipping, which comes to an average of about 10 bucks. So for example, the 2006 Nike Air More Up Tempo Neutral Grays are priced at $44. Minus the fees, it would come to $42.68, minus $10 for shipping, for a total of $32.68. Take that formula and do it for every single pair. That means, hypothetically, all the pairs would sell for a grand total of $780.62. Now you take that number, add it to the figure of the sales of all the shoes that have already sold, which is $523.38. That comes to a grand total of $1,304, a nice even number. Minus the cost of the box, which was $12.70, that gives us a total profit of $34 or 2.67% return on investment. So we paid $1,270 and we made $34 on it. Now, conversely, let's take a look at the Sole Supremacy beater box. Here's a quick recap. The first shoe we pulled out was this pair of 2013 Grape 5s. Then the other loose pair we got was a size 10.5 pair of foam posits. This is the Yeezy or the Blink colorway. The first shoe of the box we pulled out was a grade school pair. It was an Air Jordan 12 Retro GG in a size 7 youth. The colorway was called Vivid Pink. And then we pulled out a Nike Air Max 97 in a size 12. Apparently this is called the All-Star jersey. Oh yeah, we had a Yeezy. Okay, so we had this Yeezy 350 Boost, but it is a size pair of super near dead stock condition Yeezy creams. It's the off-white Nike Zoom Fly Mercurial in the total orange colorway. It's a size 10.5. It's a size 10 Air Jordan 1 in the shadow colorway. Then we had another Jordan 1 in a size 10 as well, in the top 3 colorway, a Nike SB release. So we had a pair of the white Lance Mountain ones. Now this box was also $1,250. Shipping was actually $40, and then we're gonna factor in the membership fees, so it's about $10 a week. So that makes this box cost $1,300. After the video, I put valuations on all the shoes, and the total value of the box was about $2,090. So that left us with a value versus cost of $790. If they all sold on GOAT, that would make the profit $654.91, which is a return on investment of 50.3%. Now, let's look at the box as it is right now. So I've had this box for about 2.5 weeks. 6 of the 9 pairs have already sold. The remaining pairs are the Grape 5s, the Air Max 97 All-Star jerseys, and the white Lance Mountain Air Jordan 1 SBs. So again, hypothetically, they sell on the website. If they sold on the website for the numbers that they're at right now, the grand total in sales on those would be $546.34. Now we take that number, add it to the sales of the shoes that already sold, which was $1,140. That gives us a grand total of $1,687.26. Now we take that number, subtract it from the $1,300 cost, that gives us a final profit of $387.26, or a 29.78 return on investment. So almost 30%. Now, again, the shoes that haven't sold, that's just hypothetical. I mean, they could go for more, they could go for less. It just depends. Both boxes have obvious positives. The Direct Kicks box, there's no membership fee. I mean, that's the wonderful thing about the Direct Kicks box, is you don't have to pay a monthly membership fee to get these boxes. They don't just offer beater boxes, they offer mystery boxes if you're into like streetwear, like Supreme and Bape and that kind of stuff. So that is also an option you can get from Direct Kicks. Direct Kicks also ships their boxes very quickly. I think I ordered it and got everything like within 3 days, which is pretty cool. Another thing about the Direct Kicks box is it's made to order. So they don't actually just load them up on the website and have them go. They get the order, they see who's receiving the box, and then they make the box as they're ordered. Now with the Sole Supremacy box, you can see as we went through the numbers, there's a higher profitability chance, which is always a plus. And then also at the same time, based on the amount of time that I've had the boxes, the shoes in the Sole Supremacy box, they move quicker. That's just all there is to it. The ease of movement is much higher on the Sole Supremacy box that I got. Another thing about the Sole Supremacy boxes is they're pre-made. So when you order them through their website, they're already made. They just slap a label on it and send it out. They don't get to see who's gonna be getting the boxes before they're made. Now, as I said before, both shops are super reputable. In terms of membership for the Sole Supremacy box, this is just a little look into what kind of boxes you're gonna get from Sole Supremacy if you're thinking about buying a membership. And they are opening memberships up in the new year. So if you're interested in the Sole Supremacy Beater Box membership, it's totally worth it in my opinion. I myself am a member. There's so many other people that are members on YouTube. So definitely follow them on Twitter. Turn on post notifications because that's how they're gonna be releasing any information regarding being able to grab a Sole Supremacy membership. Direct Kicks, you can just go on there and and buy a box whenever you feel like it. If they have them in stock, you can buy one. You can order them whenever you want. And the thing on their website says each box is made from scratch once an order is placed. So you order the box, they know who's ordering it, and then they ship it out to the person that orders it. So just looking at it, I prefer the Soul Supremacy beater boxes, but I also have a membership, so there's no need for me to really shop around when it comes to beater boxes. I just get other beater boxes so you guys can see what another company's beater box looks like. So if you're thinking about buying a beater box from anywhere, I hope this information was helpful for you. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I'm doing a review on a shoe this week, so we're doing that. Got another beater box to do on Friday. Remember to use my code SBMitch50 to save yourself 50% on Reshoevn8r.com until midnight Mountain Standard Time tonight, because they're based in Arizona, I think. So save yourself half off of everything for sneaker cleaning. Or you can buy like the disinfectant, which rules, or you can use the spray stuff so you can pour gravy on your shoes and nothing happens. So thank you again. We will see you very soon with a review of an SB that's coming in. Have a great day. Till next time, take care of each other, and remember, shoes are supposed to be fun, so make it fun. Bye!